This is what the paint finish looks like right now underneath here. I'm going to take the stage 1 and just work this in. As I always say in all the other videos, once all the compound is gone, you know that the cutting is done. But I'm making cross-hatched overlaps here to get good coverage. So that is stage 1. Now I'm going to go to more of a micro polishing glaze. I'm just taking, dab this up on around here. Follow the same process. This is just a cheap buffer from Harbor Freight. Just trying to overlap half of the previous pass. Going with a relatively light pressure, just kind of letting the machine do the work. Alright, let's take this glaze off and see what we look like underneath compared to what it was. That is no wax. That is just pure polishing of the paint. You can see the difference. Right along in here, you can see the color change. Really damp pad here. Gonna use some of the Mother's Nice Carnauba. Since this process took any protectant that was there off the car. Now just kind of slowly work this wax. Flip the towel over. I mean, look at that reflection. And you come down and you can see the old dark, and you can see it right along here, and no finish. Beautiful mirror finish. And that's it, folks. All that is the Mother's Ultimate Pure polish, the micro polishing glaze, and then their Carnauba wax on top. You could have used pretty much any other wax, but that's it.